My name is NAFISA and I am from first year Computer Science Engineering. My startup company name is Etherworks, product present name is Pillow, and product proposed name is DreamFlex Pillow. Empathizing, mentioning some of the requirements and feeling about the product as said by the customers during the empathizing activity. This one, Dream Recording Pillow, which records and stores stream for later playback. Built-in speakers for playing music, white noise, or guided meditations. User adjustable temperature settings via the app. Define. Based on the empathizing stage and considering the feelings and requirements of customers, many new features are added to the existing product. Existing product name Pillow. Futuristic product name DreamFlex Pillow. Ideate. Some of the additional features to be added are mentioned here. Temperature control, adjustable cooling, heating elements. Second one, sleep coaching, personalized tips and feedback. Third one, alarms and notification, gentle wake up alarms and sleep quality alerts. Fourth, the smart home integration, compatibility with Alexa, Google Home, etc. Fifth one is the audio frames, built-in speakers for music or white noise. Sixth one is the wireless charging, integrated charging solutions. Prototype. In prototype stage, the real working model has to be manufactured. Due to time constraint, the mentor advised to draw a sketch. The sketch is given below. Testing. I request the viewers of this presentation video to comment your opinion and satisfy the testing stage. Thank you.